Today we're going to answer a very clear question. Is snoring normal? Is it something which is a kind of a joke, especially when it comes from kids? If you look at the reels and shorts that we see nowadays, you see small kids who are snoring and people are taking videos of it, and you see a lot of hearts pouring out to it. But that's not cute. In Nobody should snore, especially when it involves a child. That is a definite concern, because when somebody is snoring, it basically is telling us that the airway is partially or completely blocked. Now, when a child is snoring, especially with the neck extended, the commonest factor that you need to look at is, does the child have a problem called adenoid hypertrophy?